Hey, there is your Snapchat saying oops, we couldn't find the credentials. Well, some users when trying to log into their Snapchat account, but they can't get any access to their account. Instead, they get this oops, we couldn't find credential. So, if you are trying to log into your Snapchat account and you cannot log in, follow only 3 ways to solve your problem. Solution number 1. Be sure to double-check your username and password. If they're incorrect, you'll not be able to log in. And also, if you have internet issues, you'll have the same problem. So, the next work you want to do is just tap on Hold Snapchat. Tap on App Info. Tap Other Permission. Tap Change Wi-Fi Connectivity. Now, go back and just remove Clear Cache and Clear Data from here. After doing all the process, now swipe down and change your network preference. Now, you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Now, go ahead and check your issues. After this, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have issues, be sure to let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.